Hi, my name is Karen Slusher, and I am currently teaching and working as an activities director in Centennial, Colorado at Eagle Crest High School. Um, Being in Colorado, I really love the outdoors and I try to take advantage of that as much as possible. I am a former soccer coach and I advise student publications at my school. I've done both the yearbook and the student newspaper. Um, My professional life is a little bit crazy right now as I just recently got assigned to take over graduation. And so a lot of my life is consumed putting together all of the necessary information and details for that school event. Um, the role that I'm in right now, it's activities director. It's a shared position. Last year, our activities director resigned and moved to another school to be an assistant principal. And in her absence, our principal came to three of us who are currently working at the school to fill her position. One of them is she currently has her administrative license, and the other two of us are currently working on our administrative licenses, kind of in the hopes to see if that's a direction that we want to go. Part of the reason that I am in this program right now is for this reason, for this very reason, is that I am in this role at my school and trying to kind of figure out the ropes of being an administrator while also being a teacher. It's definitely a space that is tough to navigate, and it's been kind of an interesting year, to put it mildly. Um, where I really kind of came from initially in wanting to pursue my administrative license was an interest in the PR position, the district communications position for our school district. And in looking at the requirements for that position, it said an administrative license is necessary. And so I started looking into what that would look like and what steps I might want to take in the meantime. And so here I am. My short-term professional goals really just right now are to survive this school year, to get through it, to continue to do my best to balance everything that I have to tackle in terms of helping guide the kids to finish the school yearbook, and then also to put on one of the biggest events in the school year with graduation. As far as this course is concerned, I'm actually really excited to take this course. I'm also taking one through my district over the summer called Cognitive Coaching, and I think between the two, I really want to see how I can function in terms of becoming a better coach and a better kind of voice of reason when it comes to developing curriculum and providing our students the best education that we can provide. I think it's good to challenge ourselves continually on what curriculum looks like, and so hopefully this course will do that for me. Thank you.